And we've cut across to these live pictures coming in on your screens. Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking stock of the COVID situation in the country that has been rather concerning with the surge in the number of cases that have been witnessed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi personally looking into what needs to be done. We are getting you these live pictures, and my colleague will be joining us very shortly to give us more details of what India's plan now is to fight the COVID-19 surge in cases. Remember, there has been a sharp rise in cases in the country, this in the second wave, as certain states particularly are also seeing the new mutant variation that is being detected. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi now chairing this high-level meeting on COVID, reviewing the COVID-19 measures that now need to be taken. Remember, this is the second wave we are talking about, and essentially what now needs to be done as the centre continues to reiterate that all the COVID norms must be followed. Abhishek Kapoor, our senior executive editor, with us on the phone line. Abhishek, more details on this meeting and what the plan ahead is.
So, Isha, there are concerns that despite all the efforts that have been put in terms of making sure that people understand the COVID appropriate behavior and the protocols, and it's been effectively more than a year, so that public mass understanding / education part is over. So it is expected that people follow it. But despite that, we are seeing this second wave where it's not peaked yet. We have numbers which are touching the numbers of first wave peak, which means that the second wave could be even more intense as compared to the first wave. And that is something which has got the government concerned and worried. Now, whether we need to go into some kind of lockdown again, and remember, this second peaking is happening despite about 7 crore vaccinations already having taken place. So I think the Prime Minister wanted a review. A presentation has been made from all the subject experts and the concerned departments, the Department of Biotechnology, the ICMR, the NCDC, the Health Ministry coordinating, and of course the Ministry of Home Affairs, which coordinates the overall COVID response in terms of executing the COVID guidelines. So I think Prime Minister would then, of course, consult his core team, and then a decision would be taken as to how to evolve our strategy from here on, so that despite COVID vaccination, the spike we are seeing in numbers, somehow it can be contained.
Oh yes, Abhishek, very important at this point, considering India on Sunday has recorded 93,249 new COVID infections, and this is a single-day rise so far this year, the highest single-day rise that India has seen. Very concerning indeed to how this can now be controlled, given how the vaccination drive is also being expanded. But Abhishek, the centre taking a lowdown from all the states, and considering lockdown, yes, could be one option, not preferred, but specific states where there has been a particular surge and a sharp one that we've seen could have a more specific plan?
Well, yes. So remember, Suresha, in the last interaction that the Prime Minister had with all the chief ministers about 20-25 days back, he had made it clear that whatever COVID-appropriate guidelines or COVID-appropriate behavior is there, it has to be followed despite the vaccinations. And he had raised a specific concern that this time the spread of the contagion is in the Tier 2, Tier 3 towns, from where it can jump to rural hinterland, rural areas where the health infrastructure might just crumble because it might not be up to the level which is needed to really tackle and take on the pandemic. So I think those things are unfortunately coming out and becoming a reality, and that's why it has got the Prime Minister's office concerned. That's why this review meeting in terms of whether some specific targets can be had. Remember that almost half of this number that you quoted about last 24 hours comes from Maharashtra. Three states alone account for almost 70 to 80% of the cases. So whether some kind of targeting can happen, that would be, of course, depend on what has been given to the Prime Minister through the presentation by the expert bodies. And then, of course, a call would be taken once the Prime Minister confabulates with his core team.
Right, Abhishek, keeping a very close eye on all the developments for the moment. Thank you for joining us.